section is like kind of tight, or it gets tighter up here for sure. Pretty fun though, a little challenging. Off camber. Eric's doing a pretty good job here, racing it through. Oh, you can see where the handlebars have hit. Oh my. Yeah, it's pretty techy in here. Trying to stay on the pegs is a challenge even. Thanks, buddy. Woo! I cut my handlebars down again recently, and I'm kind of liking it in here. Ah, nice. Got crossed up there. Fucking ruts. Oh man, that's tough on the hands and the arms. Nice riding, you're doing good. Threading the needle, it feels like, hey? Yeah. Some of those corners you almost gotta stop for. This trail is in pretty fucking primo condition though, like for how many years it's been ridden. Like, yeah. Damn, get in there. Oh, super fucking tight. Oh man. Oh man. Look at this shit. Oh. Do the left and right weave. Narrow bars, boys and girls. Narrow bars help a lot in this shit. Oh my God. There we go. Woo. That shit is tight. It's fun, but it's tight. It's hard on the upper body. Lots of clutch work. Feeling the burn. side hill. It's crazy how the terrain changes. It's all rock now. Rocky, icy bullshit. Really climbing here. All over the goddamn place. Get it together, Alex. Mess that up hard. Dude, I fucked that hill up hardcore.
Pretty good.
Just got bounced. Sitting on my ass. Gotta stand up, man. Gotta stand up.